Tick tick, the clock won't sleep.
Hi everyone, my name is Siddharth and you are welcome on this channel Let's Talk Watches. In this video, we are going to unbox and discuss another vintage series watch from Casio. I covered F91 in another video and you can go and check out that video as well. This time we have Casio A168. It is a retro watch and I was personally very excited about this unboxing because this is one of the most loved watches from the brand Casio. Without any further delay, let's jump into the unboxing. So we can see vintage series mentioned on the box. On the other side of the box, we have the product information, including the model number. We can see the model number A168WA, and there is nothing else on the box. So let's just open it and see what we have inside. So inside the box, we have a watch, we have a tag, and we have some paperwork. The paperwork includes the menu and a 2 years warranty card, and there is another tag inside the box. Apart from this, there is nothing inside the box, so let's just get rid of the box and start with the watch. So here we have our watch, and this is actually a very nice eye-catching timepiece. I must admit, looks like a very nice, sturdy, good-looking watch. Comes with a adjustable stainless steel bracelet. The rectangular case is 36.3 mm wide. The length of the case is 38.6 mm and the thickness of this case is 9.6 mm. Case is made of resin but chrome plated. The glass we see on this watch is made of resin and not a scratch-free mineral glass or a sapphire crystal glass. If we look closely on this dial, it has a very informative display. The watch shows AM, PM, hours, minutes, seconds, day and date at all times. Plus we have 3 different modes in this watch. First we have alarm mode, where we can set and change the alarm. Then we have stopwatch, and then we have the edit mode. For time, we have 2 modes, 12 hours mode and 24 hours mode. And this button on the right side, we can simply click this and change the time mode from 12 hours to 24 hours. And if I just press it again, I will simply come back to my normal 12 hours mode. So the watch weighs around 50 grams. Right now I am wearing my Casio F91. It has a resin strap and the case is also made of resin. And for the quick comparison, if I just put them together, I see a lot of similarities on the dials. But actually they are very different. Yes, A168 has a chrome plated case and a metal bracelet, wherein F91 is a complete resin make. I have covered F91 in another video, so if you want to see how the functions work, how you can change the alarm, change the time and all, you can go and check out that video. I'll put the link in the I button for you. So this F91 has a light button on this upper left corner here. So in fact both the watches have the light buttons on the upper left corners here and here. And now I will just switch off the light of my room to show you guys the difference. So this F91 has a green tiny bulb on the left side of the dial, but this A168 has a backlight which actually illuminates the whole screen and looks very pretty, very balanced. Well, I am not saying that it's bad on F91, but it looks a little blurry on the right side and there is excess light on the left side of the dial. However, when I look at 168, it is way more balanced and throughout the dial and easy on eyes. Now let me show you how it looks on my 7.5 inch wrist so that you can idealize how it will look on your wrist size. It may help you to decide if you really want to buy this watch or not. I think it fits well and looks good on my wrist. Also here I want to mention one thing. Considering the dial size, if you have a bigger wrist and if you have likings towards the big size of dials, then you may not like it, or it may not look good on your wrist comparing to a smaller wrist. I think the most amazing thing about this watch is the retro look that it has. It makes it very attractive and it definitely gives you some nostalgia. Now let's have a closer look on this beautiful, full of information and colorful dial. So here we have both the watches in a single frame, and you can see how beautiful these two watches are. And right now on the screen you have two legendary watches from the brand Casio, two gems from Casio. Also, please be aware that since these two watches are budget friendly watches, they are not water resistant. They are splash proof, so they may not survive swimming or showering. Both of these watches have auto calendar, but they don't adjust February 29th in leap years. Battery life claimed by the brand is 7 years for each of these watches. Soon enough I will be sharing another video on another gem from Casio. Please stay tuned. Please like, share and subscribe if you like the content on this channel and want to see more in the future as well. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.